Okay, welcome. Today we're doing a deep dive into something maybe you don't think about too often, but it's super important. Your home's drains.
Absolutely. It's kind of the hidden plumbing that keeps everything flowing smoothly.
And for this, we're looking at insights from some real local experts, specifically Pacific Blue Mechanical. They handle plumbing for homes and businesses right here in the Burnaby and greater Vancouver area.
Right, they know the local systems well. They operate in Burnaby, Richmond, Surrey, North Van, lots of places around here. Solid reputation too, like 500 Google reviews.
So the mission today, get past just don't clog the sink. We want to understand the real good stuff, the benefits you get from keeping those pipes clean regularly, especially using local pros.
Exactly. It's not just about avoiding a messy backup, though that's obviously huge. It's more about keeping the whole system healthy long-term.
Healthy how? Like, what are the main good things we get?
Well, the big ones Pacific Blue Mechanical points out are, first, you stop clogs and nasty backups before they even start. Big relief, right?
Yeah, definitely. Nobody wants water coming back up.
Second, it actually makes your pipes last longer. Less strain, less corrosion from sitting gunk.
Okay, longer pipe life, fewer clogs. What else?
Getting rid of those awful smells. You know, the sewer gas or rotting food smells that can creep up from the drain. Regular cleaning knocks those right out.
Yeah, those are definitely unpleasant. And I guess the fourth thing is saving money.
That's the bottom line for a lot of people. Paying a bit for regular cleaning saves you a ton compared to a massive emergency repair when everything fails. Preventative care, basically.
Okay, so it's smart financially, but how do you know when it's time? Like, what are the clues that things are starting to go wrong down there?
Good question. Pacific Blue Mechanical highlights 3 main warning signs. First is the obvious one, water draining really slowly. Sink, tub, shower. If it takes ages, that's a flag.
Right, slow drains, easy to spot.
Second is those bad smells you just talked about. If they keep coming back, something's probably stuck and rotting down there.
Makes sense. What's the third sign?
This one's maybe less obvious, but really important. Gurgling noises. When you hear that glug-glug sound from the drain after the water's gone.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It means air is getting trapped because there's a pretty serious blockage down the line. The water flow is getting disrupted. It's like your pipes are gasping for air.
Gurgling. Okay, good one to know. So if you notice these things, why call a pro like Pacific Blue Mechanical? Can't you just, pour some drain cleaner down or use one of those plastic snakes?
You can try, but here's the thing. Those DIY methods often just poke a small hole through the middle of the clog. They don't really clear out all the greasy, sticky stuff clinging to the pipe walls.
So as a temporary fix, maybe?
Often, yeah. Professional, especially local ones who know the common issues here, use powerful techniques. Like jetting.
Hydrojetting, what's that?
It's basically using really high-pressure water jets to blast the inside of the pipes clean. It scours away everything, grease, scale, even tree roots sometimes without hurting the pipes themselves.
Wow. Okay, so it's like a power wash for the inside of your pipes.
Exactly. It gets them back to almost new condition inside. Something chemicals or a simple snake just can't do.
So how often should people be thinking about this? Is it like an emergency-only thing?
No, definitely not. The recommendation, based on what folks like Pacific Blue Mechanical see, is usually at least once a year for most homes, just preventative maintenance.
Once a year, okay.
But if you've got an older house with older pipes or maybe a really big family using a lot of water, they might suggest doing it maybe every 6 months, just to stay ahead of potential buildup.
Right, depends on your situation. And using local experts means they kind of know what to expect in Burnaby pipes versus, say, somewhere else.
Precisely. They understand the local water, common issues, types of pipes used around here. That targeted knowledge is valuable, gives you peace of mind.
So wrapping this up, taking care of your drains, especially with local know-how, like from Pacific Blue Mechanical, means fewer headaches, longer pipe life, no bad smells, and saving money on big repairs. Plus, we know well-maintained plumbing adds to your home's value.
Definitely. All big pluses.
But here's a final thought for you to chew on. Something maybe not immediately obvious. We talked about saving money on repairs, but could super clean, efficient drains actually save you a little bit on your monthly water bill too?
Interesting angle. How so?
Well, think about it. If your sink or shower drains slowly because of a partial clog, you might end up running the water longer than needed, right? Waiting for it to clear, or maybe using more water to try and push things down.
I see. So inefficiency caused by clogs could lead to wasted water over time. Little bits adding up.
Exactly. Clean drains mean water flows away instantly, potentially reducing that subtle, slow waste. Something to consider.